Hi there. It's just gone the first week in August and it's been very damp around here for the last month. And a lot, so although it's been pretty rotten for holiday makers, it's actually been great for a lot of the plants in the garden and certainly all the vegetables. Most of them have absolutely loved all the wet that we've had. And not least and we've also got herbs like chives which have absolutely thrived, and now is a really good time to divide them to renew their vigour and also to increase your stock. So I've got a good clump here, and I'm just going to ease it out of the ground like this. Oh, it's got some good roots on it, that's for sure. There we go. And lift it out. Here, look at that clump, absolutely tremendous. So usually you can just pull the groups apart. I can probably make, oh, I don't know, 6 or 7 really good clumps out of this. But I've also got quite a handy tool. These perennial spades, these short perennial spades are fantastic for any job like this. We've got them in our shop now, and they really are very useful for easing apart a root ball like this. Don't worry if a few rip. You can see how many shoots we've got here. So there we are. There's one really good clump of chives. I could probably even divide that again. My intention actually with these is to make a border around a vegetable bed elsewhere in the garden, because I find them very decorative, and of course they're very, very tasty and handy, and I shall replant them at exactly the same level that they were before, and have a super border all round the veg beds. Okay, that's easy. It's as easy as that.